Right, welcome back to this YouTube channel, Marius Tech. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to set up a VPN application called V2Ray Tun VPN. So guys, don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials like this. Don't forget to share this video to your friend. And if you get any problem, I'm going to leave the comment section open. Don't forget to like this video. That is it, and let us start up today's tutorial. So the first step, as usual here at Marius Tech YouTube channel, you first open Google Play Store, this one, and then you are going to activate the search bar. Then we search V2Ray Tun. Then guys, download. This is the application I'm talking about. Make sure you download this VPN application, and after downloading it, you're going to open this VPN application. Keep in mind that this tutorial is purposely for research, informational and educational, even demonstrational. So let us continue. Make sure you follow local laws, community guidelines, and the internet service providers' terms and conditions. So make sure after opening this VPN application, your VPN application must be looking like this. If it is not looking like this, then you have a different application. We shall not be able to help you. But if it is looking like this, you are good to go, unless there is an update or change in the application by the developers. So let us head over to our home screen. Look for Google Chrome. Open Google Chrome, then activate the search bar. Search first SSH V2Ray, then go. Choose the first website in the results, and then wait for a few seconds for the website to load. Don't forget to like the video. Don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel. Try to zoom in a little bit, and then you may be requested to watch an advert. If not, let us continue. Create a V2Ray account. Choose any server of your preference, provided that it is near to your country's location. So try to zoom in again, and then you are requested to watch an advert, which is okay. View a short ad, and then wait for like 4 seconds, or not even one, then close. After, try to zoom in, confirm you're not a robot. And then this is what you're going to do. You're going to put in our username, not my username, your username. Make sure that your username, it is not your name you use in daily life. Use a nickname, but even that nickname must be very secure, that you don't use it in daily life. Put in your country's SNI/bag host, and if you don't have one, the comment section is open. Comment your country. That is my username I use on this YouTube channel. I'll be using Marius Tech 36. And then the SNI bag host, I'm going to put in my countries and the networkers SNI. If you don't have one, comment section is open. Comment your country. For example, Ghana, MTN. Zambia, MTN. Uganda, Airtel. Uganda, MTN. Comment any country. Pakistan, you can comment any country. Guyana, you can comment Zimbabwe. Also any country I'm setting up. I'm going to be giving SNIs for all countries, but in this case I'll use a DNS, or I won't even use a DNS. I'm going to be using www.youtube.com as my SNI. I'm going to use the YouTube's SNI/bag host. Don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials like this. Don't forget to share this video to a friend. Once you have confirmed that you are not a robot like that, look for the create account button. Try to zoom in, click that one. Try to zoom out, scroll up, and then wait for the website to load. In that case, don't forget to like the video. Don't forget to subscribe. After all, this is what you're going to do. Copy to clipboard. After copying to clipboard, head over to your home screen, and then wait for open Google Play Store, and then open the application you downloaded previously, which is V2Ray Tun. Then after, make sure that you come where you see a plus button. I think I'm very clear. After, you're going to choose the first option, import from clipboard, config from clipboard, wait for a few seconds. Then you are going to try to press that information like icon, then confirm your SNI of your country. Confirm the SNI you have put that it is for your country, and then confirm the port. Then after, don't do anything like ticking. You may have pressed something, just go back. If you confirm that all information is correct, go back. Then after, check that one and make sure that it is lighting blue. After, connect. Don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to share. Give it some few seconds to connect. Allow all permissions. As you see, our VPN application has connected successfully. That is it. Let us meet in the next tutorial. We remain Mario Stick, and I sign out. Don't forget to like the video.